TikTok police is a 20-odd-year-old gentleman who buck up on somebody who really like him and I try to show him the right way and show him the ropes of life. You understand? Something where him never get for know or when nobody never do feel.
A stagnant relationship that we know keep a dolly house. Cause we know him not have it figure you, so.
But that's the thing. You can't just get up and look on people and I say them no this or them no that. You would be surprised.
TikTok police not working anyway. Him don't have it figure. TikTok
police do construction. Mackerel, where you get them something here from? Who tell them something here?
Construction where? Eh?
Where
Construction. Pushing the barrel cannot help you. So me for the Jamaica, for send $20 figure can't give you by pushing the barrel, push barrel. Why when you barrel, pushing the barrel.
What listen to me, Mackerel. You see some people, them really like you and they'll do anything for you. So, Mackerel, me can't tell police right now if you go over you go shoot 1,000 kind.
Me don't want 1,000 kind, girl. 10,000 kind, me want, girl. If you man have it like that.
I'm sorry. Well, me wanna do that. Me not know about that. Me not gonna lie, but Mackerel, you can't underestimate people. Everybody knows still like you, okay?
So if me there with one man, remember you not do for him and him can do for blood clot. You so kind of relationship that.
But that's not true.
So TikTok police never get. So you tell me say TikTok police go blood clot push barrow in a hot sun. If you can give you $100, I will send you that.
Him never send me Western Union yet either. We have PayPal. We have Mackerel. You better listen. Later, goodie. I think that you're talking nonsense and I don't have time for it.
Yeah, ask your question. Answer them.
Don't me answer them. I say a lie. So why is it?
I have to ask you. So me ask you again. TikTok, it's like TikTok police the construction man, whatever. So you tell me. So him. Get him pay a week time. PayPal don't work out here, so I don't know how to put him money on him PayPal. It don't work.
I never say him get him pay a week time and give me. Don't say what me don't say. I did not say that. You understand?
So all the money go on him PayPal.
What you mean all the money go on him PayPal? You don't have PayPal too.
Yeah, but nobody at Jamaica never put money on my PayPal. So I don't know how TikTok police at Jamaica never put money on him PayPal. And he never travel go nowhere yet. If you have American account.
Mackerel, you see TikTok police? I never send TikTok police $1. Him can't show you nothing say me ever send him money before. Him never asked me for money before. Never.
So him send you do.
Of course him send me. How much time I want gas to put in my car and him send it come give me.
So like how much figure?
For full me tank $100.
The TikTok police. Get up. I tell you lie. TikTok police the time when they send money $100 go get some vitamin blood clot see. So TikTok police.
Him no want a vitamin C. Him body is fine. Him dainty and fit.
So TikTok police go push borrow in a hot sun for construction side. For go give you $100.
Yeah, make it sound one way. Don't make it sound so. You say TikTok police no work no. Me tell you same do construction. Him have came up on the site and show the same work. You don't know anything, so it just asks me. If me ask TikTok police for something, him would give it to me. TikTok police never asked me for anything yet. You ever see TikTok police in a Gucci, Fendi, Prada, well suit out?
You never see. He just always look like one homeless man.
Him don't, no sir, no Mackerel, that's you. TikTok police clean like Jesus police record.
What they call clean?
You know, see a simple white tees and a simple shorts, TikTok police beat and him clean. You know, see it?
That's just ordinary people, like, isn't it?
Exactly. So him no need to go hard.
It clothes not do no justice for him. 4 person, 1 rose.
clothes now for the justice theme because I know the clothes wear him wear the clothes and that's some
Yeah,
simple beat
okay.
him wear.
Let me tell you, me I tell you what I say, I'm a ring light, and me I tell you this. I can show you my outfit said fit blood clot me. Me not see what TikTok, what clothes to for TikTok police, I wear him to for clothes.
Well, and him wear the clothes and we're all right with that. Me and the Blinga them over here okay with the way him look.
There's a bomb clot, they tell you the truth. Oh, me and my bling really.
There is no truth. You just
Stop,
upset.
stop walk on man, bling. Oh, stop normalizing that you must walk and take up people money on man. Stop it.
No, that's a phone business.
I
That's
so that's why you still move for your life. I come talk, but I you never give this money 10,000. I you never give this money 20,000. Me not follow you and normalize minding man.
Well, anything you want to say still, because me not mind man. Me tired for telling you this. Me I tell you this. You see, if me get up a morning and say me I go mind TikTok police, not 20,000 or something what me use wipe my body hole. None of that. When I have to see him with something I drive, when I have to see him in a things. You see,
So
Mackerel,
why you never alright? No one say your man working at Hudson and push wheelbarrow. You can't buy a man a little car.
him no want a car.
So
He's working on something else. He doesn't want any car. He's not
oh,
ready
you
for
can't
that.
see him.
That is for Uno to find out.
So
Why
you
you
say
never buy?
bring her, so
Why
you say I have one husband. Your husband alright with you minding man. Cause
No, you just had Mackerel. Hear the thing about me know you just do this for the gift and them something. But here,
I do this for the gift.
you have
The
to
people,
talk
no,
to
me,
me.
oh, don't get it twisted. I don't have to do this for the gift. If people them not say I always come and depend people, just like how you depend me. But me not have to depend you in a box. More I depend you right in front of your live and
No,
direct.
but what you're
Cause
saying is
remember say, listen. Me not have to do this for the gift. Me want depend blood clot you like how you depend blood clot. But me want depend you in front of your blood clot face. Cause remember me a real bad girl. You
yeah, but
understand?
nothing wrong with that, but here was my problem with that. No. You see, if we not gonna come with like rumors and fake
No, you
and
come with
truth
rumors
stuff.
and fake
No,
people.
me not come with that, you idiot. Me not come with that. Stop it. You see, ask me tell you if
Thank
ask
you.
me anything you want to know. Just ask me. Me will tell you, girl. Ask me.
So when you come to Jamaica, you fuck TikTok police. Can you say, yeah, man, you know?
She disrespecting police. No man, nobody can disrespect police. Police good.
You can't too much. You always give your foot over there, dirty girl, too enough. Yeah, what you man lose that contact about who disrespecting blood clad police. Yeah, did you hear me tell the police I go suck him mother dirty stinking liquid pussy police. That is being disrespectful. I can talk out of my nice clean, good short, clean mouth and tight answer. Don't fuck yourself with my bitch. Anyways, you Blinga back to blood clots you. How much time me I ask you again? Can you never answer? You fuck police? Blinga.
But if
Blinga.
well I know.
If
Well I listen.
if it's not an
Listen.
answer. If
No,
it's not an
listen,
answer.
yeah, go make me answer you, girl, because remember me not have to tell you yes, me not have to tell you no.
That's clear. The answer you say you answer a question then, miss.
Yeah, but me not have to tell you yes, and me not have to tell you no. Because Mackerel, me diplomatical more than you. Listen, Mackerel,
Oh,
me
don't
done
come
you
over
know
here,
say.
no big word.
No, me not use the big word and you don't know it. You're crazy. Me know which school you go. Me couldn't do that to you. Listen, TikTok police is my boyfriend.
Yes, so you don't fuck your boyfriend. That I know a star. The one that difficult your pussy your ass, Claude. You know, guys, push up his score there.
People push up the score. Push up the score. Let's go. Me need that over.
Again,
Somebody
never
can add
ask
me
you,
some
Blinga.
info.
You don't fuck TikTok police. The world want to know.
You know, you miss. You know, me not owe the world no explanation. I'm a
Okay,
boyfriend.
you owe me explanation. You know what? I'll put your status for say you post me, you know. Well, I like me, you know. May I ask you again?
But
Oh,
if me I go like girl, why would I
thank
like
you.
you?
Alright,
If me
I'm
go
gonna ask.
like girl, why would I like you?
What bring me would like you now because you're broke, girl? You walk and beg down the whole blood clot place. You begging, no fuck. May I ask you again? You
Then
fuck
Mackerel, you call
Jesus
somebody
Christ,
beg.
clean the gloves and send a gift, yeah?
You call somebody broke and
Try.
beggy.
Try clean the gloves and send a gift. Guys, may I ask Blinga again? Blinga,
You call
don't know.
somebody broke and
Blinga, stop, stop.
beggy.
Try, thank you. Jesus Christ, guys, listen. Shens, thank you. May I ask you again? You fuck TikTok police?
But what that have to do with you?
So, like, you're in enough room, but you're a big woman, you can't answer.
TikTok police tell Rosalie yesterday say he's not fucking me. So what else you no want know? Him
Some
done
never watch
answer all of
that.
that already.
Some never watch that. So, also, okay. Say it's a boyfriend thing for the media. I don't really like boyfriend and girlfriend, so. So mean he not fuck you and he always a full up your tongue for other man driving a car with a full up tongue. Okay, it's a look Google.
What you mean for other man driving
If
a
he
car?
not,
What you say? You
if
ever
he
see a
not
man in
full
a
of,
car?
that means say boy not full of tongue. Then I lie your blood clot tell funny boy. Lie your blood clot tell. You're a fuck liar. Yo.
Thanks, Kerry. Thank you guys for the gifts. You're all awesome.
So TikTok police buy a ticket for come to Jamaica for your first trip. People they shut up on the blood clot mouth and say TikTok police have it.
Me no remember if I did the first trip, I did the second. If I did the first or the second, one of them. Me no
Thank
remember
you,
which
Yang.
one.
Yang babes, they go away and come back.
Me no remember which one of them, but
Guys,
one of them.
which part TikTok police I can find $2,000 ticket from America for find it come to Jamaica. And the TikTok police want some vitamin C and some double D party and some porridge. When I see one blood clot breeze, blood clot blow, TikTok police drop. When I no sense. When it's that big fool, you know. TikTok police now buy nothing. Blinga, take RT money and fuck RT for go look for blood clot TikTok police. Me I tell Uno that. Take it from me. Blinga, thank you, your yang. Blinga,
That
make
is it, my side.
and go look for TikTok police. I saw she stay. Blinga, you walk and love young boy too much.
Where you gonna do that?
I saw you and the other old man who love fuck young, who son them too much, who for rest.
Where you gonna do that? Where you gonna do?
Me, I should have
Yeah.
mind, man, no fuck.
Me coulda never fuck your man, you're crazy. Your man would not big enough for me. Me see it. It's not big enough for me.
I never tell you say you should never fuck my baby father. I never say so.
Your man body not big enough for me, Mackerel. Stop it.
It can big enough to slide down in your blood clot tonsil and bust out your windpipe. I'm making sperm slide down in your
It is not. Anybody want to see rice penis? I'd come in a WhatsApp group.
Jesus.
876. Thank you,
Blinga, look
Kerry.
here. Blinga, I'm not going to do this.
876
Blinga, let him man
851.
name out of your mouth. Blinga, we're not talking about that.
So take out police name out of yours. Take out police name out of yours.
Shens! Me can't take out police.
So look here. If you take out police name out of yours, me will not call rice name. But me could mix up everything
So
in that one.
that means you and TikTok police sitting at Dali or sitting because TikTok police now fuck you. And how much months now you say TikTok police is your boyfriend?
I mean, I
That's
stop
nice.
saying love. I mean, I stop saying, but listen now. Everything, Nelly, thank you. Everybody who's shooting, thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Mix up
Guys,
everything
thank
in
you.
one.
That's
Me
how
see
you
your
put
mother.
traumatized. I say your brain delulu for your own boyfriend who is not.
So that why nobody now run with that? The man come say, he's not fucking me. So what you want me to do? You know see man this one me.
Nobody know I run with no bullshit.
So
People like
then how you run with it?
People like facts. Me not run with your first man here. Me not run with it. People like facts, not bullshit and stupidity.
Then that appear that you bring, so I don't understand.
Oh.
You play one more where you do come here keep showing them love. Where you do?
Well,
Sure.
everything you keep show and live for blood clot people, you not keep show about your thinking rotten pussy way when a man no want.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Mackerel, me have one man for how much years? Where you say I have nice 4 beautiful children come out of it. Be yourself now. It's still a work. But no, me don't talk about me. You say me can't call rice name, so you can't call police name. So guess what now?
Me not, you can't call anybody name you want to call, but make sure when the boy start in life, you can't angle. Me not entertain blood clot you. More than me, just to say, if your pussy old man ray, then that means when you come to Jamaica, you tell me, say you could fuck TikTok police, you pussy not, your nature not call and TikTok police cocking out, maybe TikTok police not about if you stand up.
TikTok police I walk with 10-inch. Bigger than the rice.
The old
Bigger than the rice. Longer than the rice.
The old boy never fuck. Talk is cheap. All the boy never fuck it. I know think cocky a 10-inch.
Let me not see it, him not show it. Enough how we see it. He
Yeah,
show
it's
it.
true, no. Why I know in a fuck you?
Because maybe me not want to fuck him.
Maybe not a nature for you.
Well, all that too. Why I worry about that? That's
Yes,
not
I'll
your
tell you what.
business.
So TikTok police is my boyfriend. Leave the man alone and stop black blood clot traffic.
You're crazy. Enough traffic now black over this, so.
Leave the man alone and go
My
sit down with a
friend,
delusion
my friend,
self.
TikTok police is crazy over me.
Where? Them could have really take up you and one crazy over you.
Yeah.
And you broke foreigner girl.
Why you worry about that for?
Me could have really there Jamaica. I'm gonna send man money for go buy gas put in a tank.
I not one time him do it. I not two. The people them know. Him buy gas, him pay fare, him give me stuff to eat, him do things to me.
Guys,
Him just buy me one slippers
Guys,
the other day, my love,
more.
for how much thousands. So how it go?
2 more. When though?
Anyway, I see your
Guys.
mother come out of cuss rice. Mackerel, why you say so?
2 more rows. 1 more rose.
2 times gifting my side.
Guys, 1 more rose, quick. 1 more rose. Somebody, anybody in the chat. Somebody different. Thank you. Miss, may I have the conversation now? Me mute you.
So me.
If you want ask any question, you can find the lady and you ask her. And don't ask me.
Let me know the situation done. I was starting back.
Guys, double, miss. Just like when you want clout to click your life, everybody else do the same thing. Do not mix me.
Me not think me need clothes right now.
Thank you so
Mackerel.
much, guys.
Thanks, guys. Mackerel, me not think me need clothes right now. Me is a journalist and me is a lawyer. Me is a judge. So what you talk about?
Guys,
Come with the news.
do not mix me.
Come with the
I
news
warn
and me
you.
do reviews. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I warn you. Remember, all I will love for 5 minutes of fame. And all I will
All
love
right,
for
me
2
go stop
seconds.
playing with you because you not believe no what me I tell you. I not like that. So me I go talk.
That is what.
Me I try to tell you something. Me not do this. If you don't fame and them something there. If you don't want to
Not
talk about them, I
about you.
understand.
Mylan! Not about you. Me just say, me just make a genuine statements.
Yeah, but me respect when you don't want to talk about something, but you not hear what me I say. You just tell be a lie upon me and me take it. You're wicked, you know. You're crosses. You see
You
that the
are
black
come
blood
food
clot
for
come
me.
about.
You are come food for me. Jesus.
Me not fun for you or something what we see Mackerel know say me review
Me not
cases.
see. Then go on over there go review it now.
No, so me ask you now, cause through your day, I mean, I say, why it reach to mommy I come cuss him out? No. If you don't want to talk, me understand. That's what I say.
But I mean,
Me not mix it. That's why me I go just wait till me done with you and then me review it.
if
But
I go there, you go review.
no, me I review Willie and World Dog
Yeah,
thing.
man,
The girl will
review
lock up
them,
Willie.
man. Bomba clot. Lift up,
Me
man,
I
off
review
of
you
me.
tomorrow. Tomorrow I review you.
Oh. I come in with a pussy clot mode on a Thursday.
Alright. What about Friday?
Not blood clot, the lady kind of oldish in a one look way.
But she run out and never drop door Mackerel. Me like it. She just run out so parent.
Lady that Christian. Nobody with it.
Your mother a Christian?
I don't lady we click her blood clot live and trust so leave
So when,
it.
when she chased me, what that have to do with
I
me?
think I Russian and didn't this. Then when I answer when I talk about the blood of Jesus again, she now not a blood clot. When I
Russia no Christian. Russia just a put on a show for Uno. What you say?
I forgot put on my baby, you know, come now on destruction and take you all on and take car blood clot pitney, you know. Yes, hurry up and done the match. Hurry up. Done.
Yeah, right? So look at now. Me say your mother run out and never drop. Me say we like it.
Me say blood clot, Jesus Christ.
Me say Mackerel one at a time. The lady say you're whole drunk, bro. You me say what is this? Me say what you know?
Jesus!
Mackerel, what caused this? Why your mother have to come cuss? If your mother have to come cuss, that means there's something wrong. She fed up. That means the woman
Guys,
tired.
thank you so much. Come.
That means the woman tired. Because the lady have to run out like that. The lady tired.
Tired what exactly?
The woman tired of on the dirty crosses life.
Okay.
People on TikTok, listen me. Mackerel mother has joined the war. Hey.
September 2nd. Ultimately.
How come you, Blinga? How come you, Blinga?
Yeah, all right. I need to leave her. Tyrone. You need to leave her dirty Spanish town thinking boy. You need to leave her. Yeah, we all know so she go up there, go make a mess of herself. A good sweet mother she have and good sweet family. And by her two side the family, they love her. They love her, they shot him and spoil him. When she come out and I tell her about this and tell her about that, ask her from she fame out if he ever give mother one money. I know me take time I come round. She take time I come round to her family, them leave him or set a shit. Or chink bedbug, piss up kin.
Me want interview her. Me say me want interview her. Me say the lady say, "Oh shit, bedbug, piss up kin." Why? People on TikTok.
What can I chop this? What can I miss this? We're coming out. We're conversing.
Guys, the lady say, the lady tell the boy, me said that me not think the boy can come back to my love because you see when mother running.
I am telling you this. Do not trouble that lady. Because if you trouble that lady and this man start him live, listen.
How am I troubling the lady?
What you want? No, you say you want interviewer. Listen,
Alright,
listen.
you
You say you want interviewer. And if you interview the lady and she got talk things, that man is going to click him live or either come in your box and listen, I can't take the drama.
But you don't tell your mother already said don't go up and Blinga live. So where you at?
I'm
But
going
we
to
just
tell
said
her.
me just
Anytime I
say me
talk
that
to
love to interview her. That's all me say. But she not gonna come because you don't tell her already said don't go in and Blinga live.
Mama, she will
When
come
Rice
because she loves drama.
what Rice can say to me, like about me care.
It's not a Blinga, listen for Anderson and don't listen to reply. If she come in a your box right now and start bring down the man will click he live and bring down back she too. And I can't take the drama. Please. Cause it is so much more than we wanna think. It is so much and I can't take the drama. I can't take the drama. Okay? Yeah. Cause when she come and him come back, you know go say, when whole man go sit down, Ray, and when the boy answer, you know see man go say, in my mama man, blah.
But you know say, as some know say you're uneducated, you know. Listen. Remember say no, mommy style him, you know. Mommy never style him for my life. Mommy style him. Listen what she say. She called him.
She don't know 7 people want to rule.
Tell him spoil him. When she come out and I tell her about
Listen what she say.
Tell her about that. Ask her from she fame out if he ever give mother one money. I know me take time I come round. She take time I come round to her family. Them leave him or set a shit. Or chink bedbug, piss up kin why when you look like the outfit in the back of Jamaica because
You see? She just style him right there. So guess what? Him can click him live and answer her.
We can't take the drama, Blinga, you don't understand. We
What?
can't take the
Bad girl, big up yourself. Big up all of the
drama,
shit
that.
for them.
Blinga say you like drama.
It's not drama. I do review. Make up your mind. What the fuck you want? Because me I go review it or me not review it. If I don't want me review it, me won't review it. What is you saying?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I think I want to do.
yeah,
Wanna leave money for somebody
Girl,
else.
me I don't troublemaker. Me I try to tell you.
Go review TikTok police thinking cocky way you
Me
not.
do it already. What else you gonna tell me? Me do it already. Me and the Blinga already review TikTok police cocky. So what is you saying? Oh, can't cause somebody tell somebody about something where they tell you no? Yeah, idiot. I don't know come across me about police. What if I gonna do to me? That them not do nothing to me. No, sir. Jesus. Thank you guys. Thanks everybody who showed. Thanks to all the tappers and the gifters. Thank you. Because in the message, guys, listen. For the people them who watch me now, I rate on you know, but me need enough to talk to me sometime too. Tell me Bling, don't do this, or Bling, do this, or Bling, do that. Because she did style him in this. So him soon click a live back for she. Listen what she say. Listen what she call him.
give mother one money. I know me take time I come round. She take time I come round to her family. Them leave him or set a shit. Or chink bedbug, piss up kin why when you look like the outfit in the back of Jamaica. You know illegal anyway you're there. I can talk. You did there you see when he there parade.
You see, your mother diss him. Your mother style him by herself. So your mother never need your platform or my platform for style him. So you, if him click alive right now, it's my fault. That's what I'm telling
Wow.
you. You understand? But you are say if me review it and the boy go
Right
click
now
in
at this
live.
point, it look like say you are the uneducated one.
How it can be me and the uneducated one when
Listen,
your mother
Blinga,
style him?
listen,
You don't think you can answer back your mother?
Blinga, listen, no? Listen. Remember you just say, want an interview with her. He can answer, but he don't answer, right, Blinga? Alright. So when you know, probably you go find her, or she find her and say, alright, you want to come in your box, She go come in your box, she go ask questions, she go answer, she go this, she go raise, she go tea, and she go blah. And they say everything I go start story up now from what the things I go start, so come you go question her, you know. And it I go to the pushy boy, you know, if you go retaliate, no, and the drama now stop. You know, understand? So when she come in a year box, answer to your question and when you ask, in your comment section, answer to even them there too. It a go push it. Remember the boy don't ignore it now, you know, if that thing I do, you know. Whatever. You know, understand me I try to say to you?
Me understand what you say. But me you need to understand what me I say. You say, if your mom bring him down, he might go click back live. Your mom already said what she said for him click live, but him me not seeing click no live yet.
Said that when you say you want to interview her.
Your mother now come for no interview with me because you are going to tell her don't come. So what you say?
Me can't control big people. Me not even did not say lady I make one video. Me can't control big people. People do what they want to do. Me can't control nobody. So if you tell a lady, say, if somebody has screen a card now, we probably will know and go watch it and say, Blinga say she want you for her life. Ilya go willing fully come because, I mean, who wouldn't come?
Change the subject.
Okay, well, it's Shanice, you know. Shanice, Blinga no like peace, bro. Blinga no like peace.
Shanice, come cut me, slice me, and juice me.
Oh, Lord, then I got that one best. My best, who?
Fuck shut up, but me no like peace. Wanna bring on the business pan the media. I wanna know say the news team, the pan the media and the courthouse. The
No,
fuck?
my question
Me look
is
for somebody me
that,
fuck
can
me.
you tell
Shanice,
Shanice?
fuck your mother.
Shani, oh, no time for him off the camera. Don't do that. Blinga, look, Shani, so can you know? Blinga, look at them, I got say no, we don't say. What me, Blinga, them, she got ask, Blinga got ask the lady, say, what me when him did left, I'm going to perfect, can never come out. You know, they look a question, can you know? Oh,
if you don't want me to interview your mother, you know something I'm going to do it. Serious time.
No,
tell your blood clot people, them go suck out your thinking all and allow me. Sure.
No, we just say, one month or 2 months, just run off. When you can't just make 1 month run off.
That is it, my side. That is it.
Baby father come done me. Mother come and now I done baby for like.
But I'm not full with fault. But Mackerel are not full with fault. We are out here. We are the Outgo News team and the Supreme Court. And not full with fault. You want to tell we who fi take up from who not fi take up?
Nobody review it, woman.
Okay, so say that then I'm more review it. But me I say, Mackerel, you know fi stop say me I mix up because people them bring them business by the media and this is what we do. CVM do it, TVJ do it, Sunshine do it, Pink Wall do it. It's just that then face to face.
So, I'm confused. Oh, mother really a cuss. Me are the boy because my mother say, ask her if she famous and she go, they go make a mess of her say, oh, my mother really a cuss. Cause,
let me play about the video. Shut up, let me play about the video. Tapping eyes and just listen. Everybody on both people on her lives and my lives, moment of silence. And then uno answer in the comment section and my people answer too. Okay, let's go. Just listen, everybody.
600 seconds. Let's replay. Hear it play. Yes. Father writes, you need to leave her. Dirty Tyrone, you need to leave her. Dirty Spanish town, thinking boy. You need to leave her. Yeah, we all know so she go up there, go make a mess of herself. A good sweet mother she have and good sweet family. And by her two side the family they love her. They love her, they shot him and spoil him. When she come out and I tell her about this and tell her about that, ask her from she fame out if he ever give mother one money. I know me take time I come round. She take time I come round to her family them. Leave him. or set a shit or chink bed bug piss up kin why when you look like the outfit send you back to Jamaica because guess what? You know illegal anywhere you're there. I contact. You did there you see when you there parade.
All right. Ask him, see what them a type over you. See what them a say over you.
The question is, oh, mother really a cuss.
Your mother of course rice, but your mother also say you are loved by two sides of the family, like your father and your mother. And something else in our message, you know. You look a dirty, worthless blood clot, you know, make with a reason now. You want to tell me say from your fear mouth, you don't give your mother nothing. Your shit pit, dog shit, worthless piece of cutlass, dirty blood clot, girl. From your fear mouth, you don't give your mother nothing. Shit out, dog. All crap, you want to tell me say, yeah, make so much, make me talk, can you lose? Yeah, make so much, but, oh, you're not lose, I done it done. My cousin, pretty much done. Listen now.
Guys, one money gun, so we can't hear this, guys. One money gun, no
From your fear mouth, you don't give your mother nothing. Mackerel is a worthless little girl. Look how much money you make. Mackerel, when you take the money and do with it, tell me. And your mother will bring you come here. Your mother will love you so much. Ladisha, your mother love you, your father love you. And you never look for your mother and give her $1, not even 1 cent. Your destruction, disgrace, piece of dead old shithouse girl. That's why you're in so much problem. That's a retribution I deal with you, so man I deal with you. So because you're the woman will piss you out her pussy, will love you so much, will take care of you right up until you're 20-year-old. You never look for your mother and give her something, not yet. The lady said pan voice recording, you have to stop it. You make $2,000 or more a week time and don't look for your mother and give her $1. And we know you make it because Rice tell we, and Rice show with the money where him collect for you outside the PayPal, so don't come with no fuckery. You're a piece of dog shit. You have to stop it. If I even $100 bad to bad, carry go give the woman. If I even buy one slippers, give the woman because Mackerel bad to bad, may I tell you say, you see your mother is somebody where you're supposed to love, cherish, respect, and honor. And if you make money, Mackerel, and give the woman not even $1, that's sad. He's a blood clot, dirty bumble wall. That's why you have so much time and energy for company to come cuss and class people. And what you fear do, you know, blood clot.
Oh, nobody knows there. Me never did know, so me take up responsibility for my head.
It's not taking up responsibility. It's called mother. So if you make so much money, Mackerel, you want to tell me it's just about right for you give your mother one little change. Nobody not tell you to
stop the TikTok police and you go give your
move
mother.
your dirty blood clot and stop talking about TikTok police. It's a serious thing. We never know.
No,
From your fear mouth.
My money is my money.
This girl, you want this blood clot.
My money is my money, and I do.
You want this? If you take up something, give your mother. If I even holiday time, birthday time, give your mother something, man. Give your mother something.
Hello, I'm not about that life. I'm one of those child that is not obligated to my parents. Okay,
it's not mine in parents, but you want to tell me say
hold on no. Since I want to go down in a serious thing, yeah, you don't know what me go through in my life. All I was thinking pussy over here, so I come talk about a true Mackerel and a true Blinga. I don't come to cut my pussy when I see my period. I don't know me go through in my life with parents. I know me go through in my blood clot life. I don't come eat all the shit out of my body and blood clot digest that. You know me go through in my life. That is why I'm asking who she really cussing.
She's cussing right. She's not cussing you, but she also mentioned that.
The boy. If you're going to cuss the boy. If you're going to
mouth. But Mackerel, she said something new when we never know now the blood clots up. No, you're a worthless, dirty blood clot daughter. Because you're your mama. And you don't even say make you give your mama $1. You're a germs. You have to stop it. Cross is already proof.
No, you have to give me chance to talk. You have to give me chance.
Nobody not tell you for minor. But somebody for
this is my situation. Not your situation. Not your situation. And not the... You say blood clot still. You just...
Go man. Move your blood clot. Go. When you come and click live and tell me about TikTok police. Now keep my love. TikTok police is a 20-odd-year-old gentleman who buck up on somebody who really like him and I try to show him the right way and show him the ropes of life. You understand? Something where him never get for know or where nobody never do for